In this video, I'll guide you through how to open ports on a Microsoft Azure Virtual Machine. If you're managing a virtual machine on Azure, knowing how to configure ports is essential for controlling network traffic and ensuring your applications can communicate effectively. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by selecting your virtual machine from the list of available VMs. Once you've located and clicked on it, we'll move on to the next step. Look to the left sidebar menu where you'll see various options. You'll want to scroll down until you reach the Settings section and then click on Networking. This is where you'll manage all the networking configurations for your VM. Next, at the top of the Inbound Rules table, you'll see an option to add a new rule. Click on the Add Inbound Port Rule button, and you'll notice a sidebar panel opening up on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll configure the details for your new port rule. Now, let's go through the fields you'll need to configure. For the source field, you can leave it as any if you want to allow traffic from the public internet. This is suitable for many scenarios, but if security is a concern, you might prefer to select IP addresses and paste a specific IP address. This way, you restrict access to only trusted sources. In the source port ranges field, you'll want to leave it set to an asterisk. This essentially means the rule applies to all source ports, which is generally fine unless you have a specific range in mind. For the destination field, keep it as any. This allows the rule to apply to all destination addresses within your VM. When you reach the service dropdown, you have some choices. If you're opening a standard port, you can select HTTP, HTTPS, SSH, or RDP. These are common ports used for web traffic, remote management, and secure connections. However, if your target port is unique or not listed, switch it to custom. Now, in the destination port ranges, type in the specific port number you want to open. This could be a single port like 8080 or 3000, or even a range such as 8000 to 8010, depending on your needs. Moving on to the protocol field, select either TCP or UDP. Most standard web traffic uses TCP, but if your application requires UDP, make sure to select that. Make sure the action is set to allow. This ensures that the traffic is permitted through the port you're configuring. For priority, assign a low number like 310 or 1000. Azure processes rules sequentially from the lowest number upwards, so a lower number ensures your rule takes precedence over default rules, which typically block traffic. Finally, in the name field, give your rule a concise name without spaces, such as allow, custom, 8080. This helps you easily identify the rule later. Once you've configured everything, click Add at the bottom of the panel. Your new rule will compile, and you can expect it to take effect within 10 to 30 seconds. Keep in mind that precise configuration is crucial for both functionality and security, so double-check each setting before finalizing. And that's it! You've successfully opened a port on your Microsoft Azure Virtual Machine. By following these steps, you can ensure your applications have the necessary access while maintaining control over your network security. Thanks for watching, and happy configuring.